Fingerprint activated 9mm handgun coming to market. Smart gun uses fingerprint or facial recognition to unlock it to fire. Whoa. Can't steal that one. The BioFire smart gun is expected to hit the market in 2024. Some believe that when it does, it could significantly help curb the gun crisis. One of the main advantages of BioFire smart guns is that they can dramatically reduce accidental shootings at home. Well, I guess you can't unlock it without the fingerprint. I mean, this is going to have to be robust technology, tried and true, because obviously the consequences are dire if that malfunctions, that functionality.
And what if you need to use it really quick?
Look where the fingerprint is, right on the thumb there. Man, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Smart guns can also help reduce the use of firearms by criminals. Since smart guns can only be fired by authorized users, they can prevent criminals from using stolen firearms to commit crimes until they hack them. But I presume that won't be worthwhile, considering the availability of like much easier and cheaper to find firearms.
I'm guessing you still have to charge it.
That's another weird question. And it's got a lithium battery in it.
It has to, right? To identify.
To power the fingerprint scanner. The smart gun, $14.99, hit the market for pre-order. Has a fingerprint unlocking system, means anyone who is not authorized cannot shoot the gun. The smart firearm is equipped with technology that requires the owner to register their fingerprint on the gun, allowing only the authorized user to unlock it, preventing children or anyone else from using it. The fingerprint lock system can unlock with the owner's fingerprint in under a second. It's like your smartphone. Using either a fingerprint or facial recognition sensor. Don't point it at yourself.
Yeah, don't do that.
This is what the guy's mad about. He says, I owe an apology to the Dalai Lama. I don't know what I said about it. I just showed the clip. The clip happened. The clip is the clip, man. It is what it is, you know. Let people interpret what they want from it. I tested out a similar smart gun back in 2015. This is the writer of this article. And the iGun technology was impressive. It uses a paired ring to unlock the firearm. That's an interesting one. Okay. I don't know which one you like better. That you're wearing a ring, that only the person holding it that's wearing the ring is unlocking, or you like the fingerprint? Fingerprint is only on you.
Yeah, the ring could be stolen, borrowed.
Yeah. So if you go and click on like, what is this, a Kickstarter? Can you put firearms on that? Like
Bio.
Click right there where it says BioFire, the link right there. No, I don't know.
Of course.
I don't know how. Why they love linking from one place in their site to another place in their site. Yeah, this is SEO tactics.
Oh my gosh. The video starts with a family.
Wow, he just got it right on display. He's so confident. Goodness. He's so confident. Just sits there looking at you all day. Oh my goodness. It's on the
counter.
Oh, you can't get it out of the holder.
Okay, so it's always charging.
You can't get it out of the holder without the fingerprint. This guy got it right. Damn, these commercials are wild. It's weird the way it's being displayed here, but I guess that's the idea. They want it to be nearby but safe. Instantly accessible, lightning-fast biometrics. For authorized users, the BioFire Smart Gun operates just like any other firearm. Wow. Kind of futuristic, I'm not going to lie. But also funky the way you don't want that thing to malfunction emergency situation. The intruder is over there or whatever's about to go down, and you got some sweat on the fingerprint there. You're like,
oh no. Unlock, man.
Oh man.